Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share location on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be in a situation where for some reason you want to go ahead and basically share your location within your Samsung phone. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to open up the Google Maps application. So this is what the Maps application looks like. And you can go ahead and open up this application as you normally would. So open up that app. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to click on your profile picture that's in the top right corner. So tap right into here. And you're going to see this information come up. There's going to be a little option here that says something like location sharing. So all you're going to want to do is you want to tap on the location sharing button that comes up. And it's going to allow you to basically start sharing your location to other people. So what you can do is you can go through, you can tap on share location, and it will allow you to go ahead and share your location to other people. So it's going to want to access your contacts, Thoring. And you can go ahead and find the phone number of the person you want to go and share the info with. You can go ahead and basically share whatever, and you're going to be able to find all that information right here. So what you can do is you can go ahead and try finding it. You can look for it. And at that point, that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So that's basically how you can share location on Samsung Galaxy phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.